Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron, and in this video I will guide you through how to use a wellness wheel. A wellness wheel is a visual representation that encapsulates multiple dimensions of personal well-being. It is a valuable tool for individuals to evaluate and enhance their wellness journey introspectively. Traditionally, a wellness wheel is segmented into diverse sections, each embodying a unique facet of wellness. These typically include physical, emotional, spiritual, social, intellectual, and occupational wellness, although some models may include additional dimensions like environmental and financial wellness. Each sector of the wheel allows individuals to self-assess their current state of wellness in that specific area. This assessment aids individuals in identifying their strengths and areas requiring improvement. Using a wellness wheel fosters a balanced and holistic approach to overall health and well-being. To use our free wellness wheel, follow these steps. Download our wellness wheel from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Each sector of the wellness wheel symbolizes a unique aspect of wellness. It's crucial to comprehend what each section signifies. This understanding lays the foundation for an effective self-assessment. It helps you recognize that wellness isn't just about physical health, but includes emotional, spiritual, social, and intellectual and occupational facets. Once familiar with each dimension, the next step involves introspective evaluation. Rate yourself on a scale of 1 to 10 for every aspect based on your current state, where 1 implies discontentment and 10 signifies complete satisfaction. Reflecting on your self-assessment is a critical part of the process. Identify the areas where you're thriving and those where you need improvement. After reflecting on your scores, develop an action plan to enhance the areas needing improvement. This could include setting SMART goals, which could provide a clear roadmap to track your progress and achieve your wellness objectives. Reassessment is essential to measure your progress and make necessary adjustments to your action plan. Here is a sample of our wellness wheel, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our wellness wheel, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet.
Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.